Here in Arizona, it gets very hot in the summer times.
If you've ever had your air conditioner break in the middle of the summer, you know how that feels. There's a little bit of panic there. Sometimes it is critical. Sometimes you have newborns, sometimes you have people that just aren't tolerant to that heat, but just taking care of that customer from the very beginning, that security, knowing that the person coming to your door knows how to take care of your situation.
We service the greater Phoenix area, everything north of the I-10 freeway.
John and I founded the company. I was an Army nurse, and my husband John also served in the Army 20 years. 2 of our sons work in the business with us. We are a true family-owned and operated and veteran-owned company.
We also bring that veteran precision to our work. We want to get the job right, and we want to know that our customers are well taken care of.
When people call into AZ Perfect Comfort, really what I want them to experience is an education about, whatever it is that they need to find out more about.
So you're able to make the best decision for you and your situation based off of all the options. We always look back to our customer bill of rights and what are our customers guaranteed to in terms of customer service, in terms of quality of work. 10-year labor warranty on all of our systems that we install. If a unit has one major failure within the first year of being installed, then we replace that system so that customer has a fresh start and they have peace of mind in the unit that they purchase from us.
We get to make a huge difference in a lot of people's lives. For us, Perfect Comfort means more than just a name. It's really having that experience that you can be in your home and be comfortable.
Perfect Comfort is that security, knowing that the person coming to your door knows how to take care of your situation.
So Perfect Comfort is you're able to focus on living your life, your day-to-day activities, and you don't have to worry about AC because that's our job.